Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from functional equations where we have to find out or evaluate f of 6 minus f of minus 6 over f of 3 minus f of minus 3. And given functional equation is f of 6 plus f of x over x minus 1 plus f of 2x over x minus 2 equal to x. Here x and fx both are mapped real to real. So let's get started by writing x cannot be equal to 1 and 2 as we have x minus 1 and x minus 2 here. Now I will plug in values on x. So let us put x equal to 3 first and consider the given equation is our equation number 1. So I will put x equal to 3. I will get f of 3 plus f of 3 over 3 minus 1 plus f of 2 times 3 over 3 minus 2 equal to x, which is 3. So RHS will be 3. Let's simplify. I will get f of 3 plus f of 3 over 2 plus f of 6 over 1. So 6 equal to 3. I will call this is equation number 2. Now we have f of 3 over 2 here. So let us put x equal to 3 over 2. So I will get f of 3 over 2 plus f of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 1 plus f of 2 times 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 2. And RHS will be x, which is 3 over 2 this time. Let's simplify. I will get f of 3 over 2 plus f of 3 over 2 over half. So I can write f of 3 plus f of, this will be cancelled out, 3 over 2 minus 2. So this will be minus half. So it will give us f of minus 6. And right hand side is 3 over 2. Let me call this is our equation number 3. Now if you will notice from equation 2 and equation 3, we have two terms common, f of 3 plus f of 3 over 2, here also and here also. So to find out f of 6, which is from the numerator of required expression, f of 6 minus f of minus 6, we need to subtract third equation from second one. So I will perform one operation. Equation 2 minus equation 3 will give us our required numerator. So I will write equation number 2 minus equation number 3. We will get f of 6 minus f of minus 6. This will be equal to 3 minus 3 over 2. So I can write f of 6 minus f of minus 6 will be equal to 3 over 2. Let us say this is our equation number 4. Now I will write our functional equation once. F of x plus f of x over x minus 1 plus f of 2x over x minus 2 equal to x. Now we will plug in or put x equal to 6. So I will get f of 6 plus f of 6 over 6 minus 1 plus f of 2 times 6 over 6 minus 2 equal to 6. Let's simplify. We will get f of 6 plus f of 6 over 5 plus f of 12 over 4. So I will write 3 equal to 6. Let's say this is our equation number 5. Now we have f of 6 over 5. So let us put x equal to 6 over 5 to our original equation. So I will write. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF exam, CREST exam, Unicus, Silver Zone, ASSET, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, UIQs, tests, and many more. Check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our equation. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now I will put x equal to 6 over 5. So let me write our functional equation once again. So we will get f of 6 over 5 plus f of 6 over 5 over 6 over 5 minus 1 plus f of 2 times 6 over 5 over 6 over 5 minus 2, and RHS will be 6 over 5. Or we can write f of 6 over 5 plus f of 6 over 5 over 1 over 5. So we will get f of 6 plus f of 2 times 6 is 12 over 5, 6 minus 10 minus 4 over 5. Let me write 12 over 5 over minus 10 over 5. 6 minus 10, so this will come out minus 4 over 5 equal to 6 over 5. Now we can cancel 5 with 5. 12 over minus 4. We will write minus 3. So we will get f of 6 over 5 plus f of 6 plus f of minus 3 equal to 6 over 5. And this equation we will call equation number 6. This was equation number 5. This is equation number 6. If we will see only, then we have f of 6 over 5 plus f of 6 is common to both the equation. Now I will perform operation 5 minus 6. So we will get f of 3 from equation 5 minus f of minus 3 from equation 6. In between sign will be minus and right hand side will be 6 minus 6 over 5, which will give us 30 minus 6, so 24 over 5. And this equation I will call equation number 7. Now we will use equation 4 and equation 7. Let me write here. Equation 4 was f of 6 minus f of minus 6. This was equal to 3 over 2. And equation number 7, if I will write f of 3 minus f of minus 3. This value was 24 over 5. Now we will calculate our required expression. So I will divide equation 4 with equation 7. So E will become f of 6 minus f of minus 6 over f of 3 minus f of minus 3. This will be equal to 3 over 2 over 24 over 5. Or we can write 3 over 2 times 5 over 24. Now we can cancel 3 and 24. So here we will write 8 and numerator. This will come out 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 8 is 16. So I can write our final answer will become 5 over 16. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself.